Hey guys, welcome back. So we will continue with binary agents from intermediate algorithm scripting. So this exercise is pretty straightforward. We have a string of a binary string, and we need to convert it into an English translated sentence. And the binary string will be space separated. Okay, so we have all these bytes. Okay, and we should translate it into this. Okay, so each byte here is storing one character, which is in ASCII code. So first thing we need to do is we need to take the string and split it into strings by the space. So we have an array of strings, and each string stores only one byte, one character. Okay, so we can do that with str.split, and I'm going to give the space. Let's do the console log here so we see what the output is. I'm making this smaller. Okay, console.log. Okay, great. So as you can see, we have this array now of strings, and each string is 1 byte, okay, or 8 bits. So now we have this in binary, and we need to convert it into an integer, but it will be the ASCII code of a character. Okay, so how we can do that? How can we do that? JavaScript has a method parseInt, which can help us. So let's try it only on one. Let's make a try here. I'm going to make console log, and I'm just going to take one of these strings, this one. I'm going to do parseInt the string, and now we want to give it the convention. So since we are converting from binary, the code for binary is 2. Okay, so it gives us the integer 65. So what this is doing is just taking a number which is into binary, the byte, and it is converting it into an integer with base 10. So we're converting it from base 2 to base 10. That's all this is doing. So this is 6. So this number here is 65 with base 10. Okay, now that we have the integer, this integer represents the ASCII code for this character. Okay, and this should be the character A, uppercase A. And to do that, we can use the method in JavaScript, character at code, something like that. Let's try this. It's going to be string dot character at code at character, maybe, I don't remember. I'm going to check this. No, it is something else. Okay, so this is from char code. Okay, sorry, from char code. And as you can see, this gives us A. So each binary number here will be converted into an integer, which is the ASCII code, and then will be converted into the character, the string, so using the ASCII code. Okay, let's do this. Now we want to do this for each element in this array, so we're going to use the map. So now right here we have an array. Let's do the map. We will iterate through all the elements, and what we want is element to be mapped into string from what we did up there, char code, and inside I'm going to do parseInt, and this is going to take as an input the string, which is the element, and 2, which is the base of the number. Okay, as you can see right here, we have all the characters, but we need to join them into a string. Okay, so after we have done the mapping, we can do just join, and we're going to join okay, we have the mapping. Oh, I think we are missing a parenthesis here, and remove this one. Yep, this seems to be working fine. Let's remove the console log, and we have it. So this is what is doing it all. We are splitting first, we are mapping every binary, converting it into an integer, which is the ASCII code, and then from char code to get the character. Okay, and then we are joining all the characters together into one string. Perfect. Let's run the tests. Yeah, great. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. In the next one, we will continue with the next challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.